They counted me out, they thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dawg. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back, the streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat, ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of nothing.
78Chevyboi, man, what's up with y'all? Just a little short video, ain't gonna be as long as the other ones, man, you know, that I usually put up, man. But this video is about Cayenne had a badass misfire, man. Bad misfire. I gotta tell y'all a story first. It was actually last weekend, not over the weekend, but this is Wednesday, so it was over the weekend. I had went out to Cayenville to holler at my partner, let him see the truck and everything. I ended up watching it out there where he was, so I'm coming back up, man. I had hollered at Kate, had called Kate. No, I was about to head towards KT. Wait, my little homie KT with the blue box Chevy, cause he stays out in Horn Lake. So you know I be ready to ride anyway. So I'm about to head out there. So I called KT. I'm like, man, where you at? He like, man, I'm over here on you know, such, not far from where I was. Actually, it was close by my house. I wouldn't even have to go all the way to Horn Lake. So, man, I was like, all right, I'm finna pull up on you then, because he had my condenser and stuff, my condenser, orifice tube, accumulator, all that stuff. So I was like, all right, I'm finna pull up on you, man. As soon as I got off the phone with him, I had slowed down because the car was about to turn. So I picked back up speed. Then as soon as I got, you know, through all the gears, when the gears changed, you know, I was trying to ease in it a little bit, you know, accelerate a little bit. Man, whole dashboard was shaking. I'm like, man, what that is? You know, I had the AC blowing. So I'm like, dang, I ain't ran the AC. I don't know if something wrong with the AC. Got it running funny, so I turned the AC off. Still did the same thing. So I was like, man, I see when I get over here to KT. But I kept on getting in and out of it. Every time I do it, accelerate, that junk, like it's vibrating. The dashboard vibrating. So I can feel it though. I said, man, this joint missing, man. So I called Marlon, my swap man, told him, he was like, all right, when I head back toward the shop, I'm gonna let you know, I'm gonna check it out for you. Cause I thought it was something real bad, you know what I'm saying? Kind of spooked me, man. So I pulled up on KT and I was telling him about it, cause man, we got off the phone, he didn't know my truck was missing. So man, KT get off he come over there, as soon as he popped the hood, I saw it too at the same time. They're like, man, there go your problem right there. Doggone spark plug wire laying on the manifold. Not because it got a bad angle or nothing like that. I believe when I pressure wash my motor, I believe I might have ran that pressure washer across that plug wire, yeah, and made it lean over on the manifold and just didn't know it, man. And end up, man, burning the hole clean through the wire, man. So I'm finna show y'all. I gotta set the phone up. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. So I had to, y'all know I run them Taylor wires. I had to order a whole nother set of wires just because I messed up one plug wire. I had to order a set of 8 because I messed up one. But it's all good though. They weren't expensive. Let's set it up and show y'all, man. All right. And here's the wire right here, y'all. See how it burnt? Burnt clean through it. Now it's broke because when I was pulling it off, I ended up snapping it. But y'all see, it burnt clean through there, man. Let it focus. Okay, there you go. So, good thing my boy KT, you know he's a mechanic. He was in his Yukon that day. Actually, he was out fixing on somebody's truck. I mean, on his cousin's car. He was repairing her car. So good thing he had a box of these in the trunk, in the back of the truck, man. Box of these factory plug wires. Man, threw it on there. We broke it down, threw it on there, man. Got me back rolling quick. Got me back rolling quick, man. So I'm finna show y'all what's going on, show y'all the Taylor wires and which ones again, and we gonna get it rolling. That's old Memphis Mike right there, y'all.
What up, man?
I'm finna show y'all what's going on. All right. Yeah, man. So we rolling with the Taylors again. Great plug. Like I said, wasn't nothing wrong with it, with the angle or nothing. The angle is perfect on them. You see, you got a 135-degree angle. See how it comes out some and shoots straight up off the header. But that particular one, it was laying on the header, which was just my fault. Just a error, a human error. Yep. So we're gonna roll with the Taylors. Anybody want to know? The product number is 51046. The Street Thunder Black 8mm joints. That's what we're rolling with. So I'm gonna throw that joint on. Put the rest of them on the shelf, man. Brand new Taylor Street Thunder. Throw that joint on and put the cover back on. That's it, man. Yep, these my MSDs I had off the Chevy, because I don't know if y'all remember. I had so many problems with burning. My manifold was burning through the wires. Because, you know, I got them sleeves on the Chevy. See how straight these are? No angle. But I didn't know you can bend these joints. Somebody put me on that. But I guess after you bend them so much, too, they can become a problem. Like Memphis Mike just told me. I'm bending it, y'all, with one hand. After you bend it, you know what I'm saying? It's a possibility you can break it. You know, it'll disconnect. You'll wonder why your car missing. But they are bendable. I probably wouldn't have had all the problems I had with the Chevy burning through the actual boot if I knew they could bend. And I guess at the time, other people didn't know they can bend either. You know what I'm saying? Other people that was working on my car or whatever. So that's just a little I say tip if you didn't know. These MSD wires will bend on the end to, you know, whatever angle you need them to. So it's the box from the Chevy. It was on the shelf. I just took it down for this because I put some 10mm on the box. I put the red ones on there. I put the red joints on there. So that was just a little tip for you, man. Got my boy Memphis Mike. I got to get off this camera so I can get back here and help him. He pulled up on me just hollering at me. I was showing him that my bumper was leaning back here. Boy, when he got, look, that boy out there, Milwaukee ought to sponsor this boy, man. Boy got Milwaukee. Boy got Milwaukee everything.
Yeah.
So we finna get my bumper hanging a little bit. So we're gonna, I guess, loosen it up and set it where I wanted it, and then just go back. It's actually loose a little bit. So we're gonna set it where we wanted it, man. You finna hit it with this big impact, man. Got that big boy jump.
Yeah, I gotta go get my socket out.
What one you need?
19.
I think I got one in there with my impact. Let me check right quick. Y'all see what I'm saying back there? Got it back on. Hold on, let me show you. Got that joint back on. See the angle? Nothing wrong with it. Straight out, clear, perfectly. So yeah, it was turned. It was turned and laying on the manifold, and that's how I end up burning through, man. So got that on it. So crank it up and button everything back up. We can do this bumper. All right. Crank it up one time. look good down there. Got a button back up. And I should've, I don't know why I ain't set the camera up, but it took me and Mike to hold the bumper, put it back up. But I got that junk sitting up. Y'all can't tell. It had like a little sag to it at first, man. So you got that big impact, man, and set that junk back up like it's supposed to be. I had to hold it in place while he do it from the bottom. But we got it back up, man. Now I'm finna, got a little trailer bag in there. Now I'm finna get my blower, blow this yard out. This is what I've been working on last 2 days, man. Been doing my flower beds. Did it all up in the front. Put the little edging down there. My boy Jonas, he do landscaping, man. He told me to get the no dig. It's called no dig edging, where you just put it down and it got like little holes in it, got stakes in it. Where it got holes where it comes with these little long stakes. Where you just drive the stakes down to make your edging like that, man. So, I'm gonna come with my blower, get all the access up. I did all that, man. Went and picked up, used my trailer when it got the mulch instead of buying it from Home Depot, man, spending all that money. And I got one of my clients, he does landscaping for the city down there in Mississippi. So we finna get my grass under like it's supposed to be, man. I usually keep it cut kind of low. It'll look a lot better than this, but we finna get it under control, man. At least for the front, I don't care nothing about the back, man. As long as the back look decent, I keep it clean, tidy. So that's what I'm about to do, man. Take care of that, and that's that on it. Old Tahoe, Old Faithful, man. I need to wash it. Stick, man. When they call it you can get it about a yard, so I got a yard and a half, and it was more than enough, man. Boss lady truck. The old trailer, man. I caught this trailer at a good deal. I bought it to pull my 4-wheeler, and man, it's worth the money too. It's well worth the money I paid for it. Yep. Just out here, man, doing what I do. On that note, man, I'm up out of here. 78Chevyboi. Y'all stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. I'm out.
My seven, I'm keeping it my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in my seven, I got the free gas, my seven, I'm keeping it my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in my seven,
Motherfucking free gas mix.